The Instant Read Thermometer offers great temperature checking capabilities and is one of the most preferred temperature testing kitchen appliances. The Instant Read Thermometer is used by commercial cooks and endorsed by popular restaurants as it serves as a tool that professionalizes the traditional practice. No need to regulate the heat while your food is well done. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best instant read thermometers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo. The Javelin Pro Duo is a fantastic instant read meat thermometer. Its ambidextrous display will automatically orient itself for easy reading. It also has a motion-activated backlight, so you just need to give it a little shake to get it to turn on when you're wearing gloves. In addition to having an auto sleep and motion wake, this thermometer can last on a single battery for up to 4,000 hours. The display is excellent, the rendering is clear, and the numbers are large and easy to read. Available in 8 flashy colors, you'll be able to use this on anything in your kitchen, just as well as a shoulder of lamb or roast chicken. Number 2. ThermoWorks ThermoPen. The ThermoPen 1 is a highly accurate thermometer with super fast reading speeds, picking up the temperature in 1 second or less. An improved backlight makes the ThermoPen much easier to read inside a dim oven. This thermometer comes with an auto-rotating screen, easy access settings compartment by the battery, and a 5-year warranty. The outer case is also waterproof up to IP67. With a clear display and comfortable grip, I enjoyed this one a lot. It's somewhat pricier than other models on the list, but this is where you get what you pay for in terms of quality and utility. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Instant Read Thermometer. The OXO Good Grips is a sturdy thermometer at a reasonable price. What makes this one different from the others is the pivoting head. You'll be able to quickly turn it this way or that to read the clear digital display. Overall, this thermometer is quick and delivers accurate measurements. Like others on this list, it has a slimmer profile and works for food service professionals who want a thermometer they can keep in their jacket. The Good Grips also provides a handy list of recommended temperatures. Though as of this writing, the USDA does recommend you cook all poultry to 165 F. Number 4. Taylor Thermocouple Thermometer. The Taylor Thermocouple is a more pricey model than some others. However, with this thermometer, you get the best of both worlds. It has the slimmer profile that some less expensive models sport, but it has a larger display than them. These two combined features are great together. It means you can easily keep your thermometer on you in the kitchen, but you won't be hampered by trying to read tiny digital numbers. The thermocouple has an easy-to-use calibration feature, which is fantastic. You'll never have to worry or question that your digital thermometer isn't working because you'll be able to check. Number 5. Cuisinart CSG 200 Infrared Thermometer. This thermometer performed much better in our lab than its price tag might indicate. It's really 2 thermometers in one, with an infrared mode that can read surface temperatures from a few inches away and a flip-out probe, then can measure the interior temp of meats, sugar temp for candy making, or oil temp for deep frying. Either way, it reads extremely accurately and quickly, with a design that's compact and comfortable to hold but big enough that it won't get lost in the drawer. The screen has a backlight, but testers found it easy to read even with the light turned off. That was our list of the top 5 best instant read thermometers in 2023 just for you.